Hello, did not think I was gonna be doing this ever again, but I just got my PR Ipsy Box. I guess it's Boxycharm at Ipsy, but it just says Ipsy. I don't know, I'm kind of confused. Well, I don't know. They've been saying just Ipsy for a while, but I didn't even do spoilers. Haven't done spoilers in like months, but let's just get into this, okay? So I got the Carly Bible palette. It's, well, not the Carly Bible palette, but it's Carly Bible's brand. It's the Beauty by Belle, the OG palette. And this is kind of interesting to me because her brand is not too old, but I haven't seen her do like a video on her brand products, nothing like that. It's really pretty. It's like this periwinkle. It's looking more purple, but it's actually like a blue. And this palette is kind of interesting how it's set up. It looks, I don't know if you can see, I haven't even touched it and it looks like I did. But the shades look very, very, like there's not a lot of differentiation. I will try to use it, but I'll probably will give this to like a family member. It's pretty, but it's just kind of basic. It's just kind of interesting to me. Don't know if her brand's doing too well. I have a feeling it's not. And then we have the Toy Factory, which I've really been liking their concealer. I do wish it was a little bit cheaper, but it's really, I mean, like really good. And their makeup remover is really good too. I hope that comes back in the Ipsy drop shop or mega shop, but I've only seen a mini. And this is the Toy Factory Niacinamide. I guess they really like niacinamide. This is the Niacinamide Serum Lip Mask in the scent, or I don't know if you call it flavor, Watermelon Whip. So I'm excited about that. And then we have from Drunk Elephant, the Be Goldy Bright Drops with niacinamide and gallic acid. I thought it was glycolic, but it's not. I am kind of getting sick of some of these products with so much niacinamide. I don't have a lot of dark spots. I conceal them with concealer, but I don't need tons of them. But I do like some Drunk Elephant stuff, even though they're pricey. And then I just actually picked out a Innisfree moisturizer for FabFitFun. So I like that this is like another, I think this is, I want to say Korean skincare, and this is Korean skincare, I believe. Innisfree green tea seed hyaluronic serum. I love hyaluronic acid because I have dry skin. So I'm excited about that, and it's in a glass bottle. What I like about Boxycharm at Ipsy is you do get full sizes. These are all like high-end brands, so like all of these are like Sephora brands, except for this is an Ulta brand. This I've never seen in store anywhere, but this is from REM Beauty, and I'm excited to try this. Might put a little bit on actually right now. I've been really into liquid shadows and cream shadows, and I don't know if you can see how cool this looks, but this is from REM Beauty. I don't think I've tried anything from REM Beauty except for maybe like a primer, but this is in the shade Fembot, and I put a little bit of it on my, I don't know if it's going to show you, but it's really pretty, and I want to put a little bit on now. It's an interesting applicator because first, okay, I got a little more product. It looked like I didn't put like anything on there, but okay, I need a mirror, my big mirror. I'm wearing some cream shadows, well, one cream shadow and the rest are powders actually. Ooh, okay. I'll play with this a little bit more tomorrow, hoping that it dries down. Because I washed my hands and it hasn't transferred, so, or it hasn't come off really, but that is pretty. That is some, I always recommend setting them with a powder too. A translucent powder. That is pretty. So I think this was a good box. The only thing that's really weird is that this is the July box and not the August box, and today's August 5th. And it seems like we all got different, I don't know, boxes at different times. I think different products, but I didn't really look at the spoilers. I wasn't very interested in them, but I am excited about this box. I didn't even know I was still on the creator list. Everyone's kind of confused. I'm confused. I didn't even know until I clicked or until I got a shipping notification. So, okay, I'm having a little bit of transferring, so I'm going to set it before I go out. But I just wanted to film this. Very, very happy to get this. I'm very impressed. If we keep going like this, like get more liquid shadows that are good and have better brands, I will be happy. Like Danessa Myricks. I've been seeing more Danessa Myricks. That would be cool with like the color fix. So, are you still interested in Boxycharm? I'm really excited for FabFitFun whenever mine ships out. I am an annual member, so I'm going to put my link down below if you want to use my link for Boxycharm by Ipsy, as well as my FabFitFun one. I think technically, I guess, are affiliated because I get some money off, but like off my box, or I get some money off from here, and then for FabFitFun, I get some money off my box, or I get to use it for shopping. I don't know. Anyway, I have some other discount codes in my description box as well if you're interested. No fluff over here. I'm upfront and honest, and I only talk about cruelty-free and vegan beauty and sustainability and whatever else I want to talk about. So if you're interested in stuff like that and being honest and transparent, and I don't have a perfect background, this needs to be fixed, then I would click subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video, and hope you're having a really fantastic day. If not, hopefully I brought a little bit of cheer to a bad day. So yeah.